Paano po kung di na nakahulog sa pag-ibig, gawa ng na-paralyze na at di na nakatrabaho? Member pa rin po ba siya? Interesting question po from ma'am. Sige po, I will answer this question in a direct, concise, and with example. May research po tayo sa website ni Pag-ibig. So bigyan natin ng good answer po ito. Alright? Let's get started. Unang-una po, let's discuss ano po ang grounds for withdrawal ng Provident Benefits Claim ni Pag-ibig. Meron tayong 6. Number 1, membership maturity or 20 years member po. Number 2, age 60. Number 3, permanent total disability or insanity. Number 4, critical illness of member. Number 5, permanent departure from the country. And number 6, death of a member. I believe, ma'am, pasok po tayo sa number 3 or number 4 kasi po na-paralyze po tayo. So, actually po, ang tanong nyo kanina kung member pa rin po ba kayo ni Pag-ibig? Answer po is yes. Kaso po, inactive member po tayo kasi na-stop po yung payment natin, no? Due to sickness po or sakit ninyo at di ka na nakatrabaho, right? So inactive member kayo, but then nag-earn pa rin ng dividends yung savings mo. And at the same time po, pwede na po ninyo ma-withdraw ang Pag-ibig po ninyo. Kasi grounds for withdrawal po, if meron tayong critical illness or permanent total disability. In your case, pasok po tayo. I-submit nyo po ang requirements po ni Pag-ibig para ma-process na po yung check-in ninyo. Ano po ang mga requirements? Ito po. Ito po yung checklist of requirements. As you can see, basahin natin ang letter C. Permanent total disability. Yan, number 1, application for Provident Benefits Claim Form. Form po yan Pag-ibig. Kukuha po tayo and i-fill out. Number 2, Pag-ibig Loyalty Card or Loyalty Card Plus or one valid ID of the member. Importante po yan, yung Pag-ibig Loyalty Card kasi hanapan talaga kayo ni Pag-ibig. And of course, valid ID. Number 3, physician certificate / statement with clinical or medical abstract. Original copy po. And number 4, SSS employment history as applicable. Photocopy po isa. Yan po, ma'am, i-submit nyo po yan para ma-process agad ang check-in ninyo. Alright? Hope na nasagot ko yung question po ninyo. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.